So way back in 1979, when I first started plumbing, the first lesson that I was taught at college was that wastewater runs downhill. Well, that's great if you've got gravity, because we used to have to use 100mm pipes like this to get rid of your wastewater from your toilets, etc. Now we've got macerators, which are fantastic. So what they do is they mulch the products up inside, and we're going to pump it away. So we can run it through 40mm pipes. What we don't want to be doing is putting 90-degree bends on. We want to put a sweep bend on like these, or better still, you can use 245s, because that takes a lot less friction up and it gets the water pumped away a lot quicker, and you can pump it further. So the pipes that we can take away from these units are 40mm, 32mm, and we can go down to overflow size pipes. Got to be solvent weld, because we don't want them popping off. That's not be a good idea. We can actually run through the fabric of your building, retrofitting things, because you don't need to be using that size pipe. So now we're going to show you the full range of Flomasta macerators, which means that you can have a bathroom, a shower room, a cloakroom, a kitchen, anywhere in your property. So this is the first unit. It's absolutely fantastic for extra bathrooms, en-suites, cloakrooms, that kind of stuff. You've got your connection in front here for your toilet to fit onto. 3 40mm connections on here, so you can connect your wastes on there. Let's have a look at the box. So inside the box we've got the instructions, which for me as a plumber are absolutely fantastic, because they've got pictures in here rather than paragraphs of words. But inside the box we've got everything to actually install the unit to whatever you want to do. If you only want to make one connection, we've got all the cap ends and everything for the others all in the box, so just pick your box up, go and install it. The other fantastic thing about all these units is that they can be maintained while they're in situ, which means you don't have to take the toilet out and unplumb it all to be able to get to this should you require any maintenance inside it. You can pop the top off and it's very simple. It's got this, which is an odorless carbon filter, so you're not going to get any odours into your room. It's got quiet technology, and it's been worked out that you can actually use it for at least 500,000 hours. What about that? So if you're thinking of having an ensuite, a bathroom or a cloakroom anywhere in your house, this is the model for you. Let's have a look at the next one. So this unit is fantastic again for en-suites, bathrooms, cloakrooms. The difference between this one is the actual outlet for the waste is on the top. The other one has the fitted on the side for the waste. So think about that. If you're retrofitting, which is going to be the easiest one for you to install, and this is the one that fits off the top. So like we say, you can maintain this while it's in situ. You just take the top off, clips from underneath there. Then we'll have a little look inside. We've got the stainless steel blades in there that mulch everything up. We've got the pump in there. We've got the outlet in there and the vent. The other thing that we've got on this unit and all the units is a non-return valve there, so that stops any waste products going back to your appliances. So this is the one if you need a top waste. Let's have a look at the next one. So this unit's fantastic if you've got a framed toilet or if you've got a back to the wall pan in a unit. So this one's got 3 connections on it, 40mm, so you can connect a bathroom, an ensuite or a cloakroom into this as well. It's perfect. So on to this product now, which is for commercial and heavy duty, which is fantastic for places like bars, rentals, places that are going to get used a little bit more. So they've upgraded the motor in this, they've upgraded the blades. It's also got an alarm inside. So this will sound an alarm to let you know that there's something maybe stuck in the impellers, which are very easy to get to. Very simple, 1 screw to undo there, take the top off. Then there are 4 screws that hold this in. That all pulls out. As you can see, the blades there, easy to install, fabulous. And you know what? Fantastic value for money. So this one's perfect for fitting a shower room anywhere in your property. It can actually run wastewater 100 metres that way and 10 metres that way, so very, very versatile. 2 connections on the side, and the inlet pipework has got non-return valves on the inside of here. Let's have a look at another one. Which brings us on to this one, which is fantastic for a bathroom. It doesn't have a toilet connection, but it has 3 40mm connections on. Also brilliant for if you want to put a kitchen anywhere in your property. I've used these before to put a washing machine in the cellar to alleviate a bit of space in the kitchen area. You do get all the parts and fittings to connect onto these. The maintenance side of it, dead easy. The top pops off as you can get in there to maintain it should you require to do so. This is the full range of the Flomasta macerators. Just for your peace of mind, you've got a 2-year warranty across the board. So get yourself down to Screwfix now.